Today, we're gonna draw a jolly Santa Claus. I'm gonna get started with the brim of his hat. So we're just gonna draw one big rectangle across. And then from here, I'm gonna draw his hat. His hat's gonna be floppy today. So we're gonna draw a big kind of arch and then the flop of his hat with a nice big cotton ball at the end. Next, I'm going to draw both his beard and his face all in one big line. So we're gonna draw one big shape. It's kind of like I don't know, like a rounded square. So we're gonna go down and around and then down again. From here, I'm gonna find like a little bit above the center here, and I'm gonna draw a big round jolly nose for our Santa. And then from the middle of his nose, I'm gonna draw the beginning of his beard and then connect it to the top of his hat, or connect it to his hat. Other side. Perfect. Now for our Santa, I'm gonna go ahead and draw some upside down circles for his eyes to make him nice and happy, but feel free to draw whatever kind of eyes you want for your Santa Claus. And then of course for our Santa, we're gonna draw a big jolly smile. Now for his body, I'm gonna go ahead and start with his arms. So from the bottom of his beard, I'm just gonna draw one arm here. I'm not gonna finish it quite yet, and then I'm gonna go to the other side and draw the other arm. And from here, I'm gonna draw a nice Santa body. There. Now let's go ahead and finish off his hands. I'm gonna draw a little cuff here that we're gonna leave white when we start coloring both sides. And for my Santa, I'm gonna draw some nice mittens to keep him warm. So one mitten here, and then another mitten on the other side. Next, I'm gonna draw Santa's belt across his belly. Santa always wears a big, nice black belt with a golden buckle in the middle. So I'm gonna draw the buckle and then just a simple square right in between. And then from here, I'm just gonna draw some little boots for him. Now I'm gonna start to color my Santa. I'm gonna start with red. I'm gonna color the top of his hat, his tunic, and his gloves red. We're gonna go ahead and speed up the video during the coloring part. Feel free to pause if you need to. Next, I'm gonna color my Santa's face. I'm gonna use my peach marker, but feel free to use whatever color you want your Santa to be. Next, I'm going to take my pink marker and I'm gonna color in my Santa's nose, and then I'm gonna add some rosy cheeks to him. going to take my yellow marker and I'm going to color in the buckle of my Santa. Lastly, I'm going to take my black marker, I'm going to color in my Santa belt, his boots, and I'm just going to clean up my lines a little bit around his face. There you have it, our jolly old Saint Nick. If you like drawing along with me, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.